All right, I'm going to do a video here of a Homelite Super XL-925. This is a cold start. Well, actually by that I'm going to do a compression test first, and then do a cold start on it. So anyway, I got the gauge hooked up here, off camera of course. Anyway, usually this thing pulls between 180 and 195 usually. It just kind of depends on the temperature. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to stand like this because this thing takes a lot to start. So. Oh. God, this thing's hard to start. What is that, right at 195, right? Yeah, about 195. It can go up a little bit higher sometimes, I don't know. It takes a few more cranks, but it's hard to get a good pull on this thing with the compression this thing has. It's just really hard to get there. It is a hard saw to pull over. I don't know why they didn't come with a decompression valve, but oh well, makes a man out of you. Move it. 41-ish degrees or so out right now. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks, I'd say. Used it to cut some hedge up, but that's why it only has a 20-inch bar on it, because I filed them pretty aggressively. I think she's got plenty of gas in it. All my gas I mix 32 to 1 for these older saws. I run, of course, ethanol free. I don't know yet if I'll be including the bar and chain, because I do have several saws that it can work for. Ignition on, throttle lock, choke. I'd say probably 3 or 4 pulls is usually what most of the saws start at. See, well, kinda. You can't really see it on the camera, but it oils just fine. Actually, this thing pumps a shit ton of oil, but it never runs out before the gas does. But All right. Honestly, I haven't cleaned the air filter in a little while, but I blow them out every couple times I use them. It ain't too bad. Anyway, really don't know what else to say about it. Let's see. Model number, serial number. You can look that stuff up by then, but I just don't really have a use for it. I have another one that I'm actually working on. It's a little bit better shape. Not like this one's in bad shape, but all the stuff that I collect is always in really good shape. So if you have any questions, message me. Thanks.